Hey guys, I'm here and I'm gonna be playing some Monkey City here. I don't want that. I'm going to be playing some BTD battles. If you don't know what that is, that's Balloon Tower Defense battles. If any of you guys know and play it, can you guys please tell me a clan and I might join someone lucky's clan. So I'm going to unlock the place. I don't know if I want to unlock water. Yeah, let's unlock some water. My foot fell asleep and it's completely like numb. Can't even move I could barely move my toes. The only one I can move is my big toe. Let's get grape shot. No, but you should try that. Ooh. Okay. I got grape shot and faster shooting. I'm saving up for long. There we go. Ooh. Butt feels numb. Not my toes, my foot. I barely felt that.
Ready? Oh, I missed.
Okay, I'm feeling it now. Ah, my foot hurts so bad now. Why did you do that? Ah.
Let me take off my freaking sock. No, I'm fine. You don't even know how to play this.
Ah.
Thanks for waking it up a little bit.
Ooh.
This kind of looks like Madden 25.
Ouch. My foot hurts. Okay, I sponsored this for someone who I like as a YouTuber. My foot woke up, yay! His name is Master of, and I do not want to watch this. No. No, get out of here. No. No. Get out of here. Yes. Out. Sorry guys about that. And let's buy another Buccaneer.